Hello, beautiful dreamers, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. So today's video is another random car video because I am getting this old car fixed up, fixing some things on it, and getting it ready to sell. So of course I thought I could bring you guys along, even though this is super random. But oddly enough, my last car video, or my first car video where I replaced my old throttle position sensor, got so many views, and so many people were like commenting on that video and like messaging me on social media saying like, oh my god, I need to do this on my car, or stuff like, oh, you're a pretty girl and you know how to fix cars. I don't really, but like that was very interesting and like very nice. It blew up my head a little bit. But yeah, I think that video helped out a lot of people, so I just want to help out as many people as I can. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to find out how to remove your battery or replace it with a new one. Spoiler alert, it is a very simple task, hence the short video. So let's get started. So for this job, you're only going to need two tools, the first one being a wrench, and mine called for a 10mm wrench. And the second tool is a ratchet with a socket extender because the battery sits deep in the car. So for that, you're going to need the ratchet itself, the socket extender, and the little attachment piece at the end. And my car called for a 12mm socket. And I'm going to show you how to put that all together. It's really simple. So you're just going to take your socket extender and your ratchet, press the little button down to unlock it, and then it'll lock itself in. And then you just attach your socket and you're good to go. So removing a battery is super simple, at least in this very old car it is. You're just going to expose that positive charge and the opposite one is a negative. And we're literally just going to unscrew these. We're just going to loosen it up so we can remove the battery. It's that simple. So I am just unscrewing that bolt in the opposite direction, obviously, and it's loose and I can remove it. Same thing with the other side. It's at a little bit of a weird angle, but we're just going to unscrew it. And once I feel that one is loose, I can just kind of shimmy it. It might take a little bit of effort, but I can just pull that one right off. So the last bolt I have to remove is this one deep down in here. Please ignore the dustiness and spider webs. This car has been sitting for a very long time, but hence the reason why we need the extender. We're just going to put that in there so that we can reach it and unscrew it. And this little piece comes off. It's just to hold the battery in place so that it's not rattling everywhere. The next thing we're going to do is just remove the battery. This car had this little protective thing around the battery. As you can see, it's very old and dusty and there's a little bit of battery acid. And y'all, this was super heavy. I did not expect this battery to be this heavy. Now it's time to put in the shiny new battery, and that's literally all you do is place it on the little stand, and we're going to hook those charges back up. So the first thing I'm going to do is put that clamp piece back in there, and I'm just going to tighten that up real good so that the new battery doesn't move around. Next, I'm going to hook that negative charge back up and just retighten it. I'm probably going to go in and put on new screws and bolts, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put everything back. Now I'm going to remove this cap from the positive charge and retighten the positive charge. So yeah, as you can see, this is a very simple job. Anyone can do it, and there you go. You have a brand new battery in your very old dusty car. So yeah, that is it, y'all. That is literally the whole thing, the whole process. It is so simple. I mean, the whole thing probably took me 5 minutes at the most to completely remove the old battery and put the new one in. Super simple. Anybody can do it. So I hope I helped y'all in some way. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share it with somebody who may need to remove their battery. Y'all comment down below if you've ever like worked on your car or like removed your battery and just did some things to your car. It's actually very like fun to work on car stuff. Like I get why guys do it a lot. So thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all did not have to watch it, but you did. This is not my normal content. I have random car videos for whatever reason on my channel. If I think I'm doing something where like I needed to research it or I wanted to see a video about it, if I think I can help somebody in some way, I like to make videos about it. So I will have a few more car videos because I am getting this car together, fixing some things up and getting ready to sell it. So I'll have a few more videos coming, so subscribe down below and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. This is not my normal content, but hey, it could help somebody. So thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.